Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Rebecca here, how are you? And you're watching Me, Myself, and Asperger's. This episode, we're going to be talking about Mental Health Awareness Week, as it is this week. Many people do find mental health a difficult topic to talk about, as we live in a world where we have to be happy all the time, which is unrealistic because unexpected things can and do happen to people. For example, loss of a loved one, loss of a relative or a close friend, people betraying your trust, people taking advantage of you, and people not treating you very well, etc. To remain happy despite the fact these things have or are happening to you, especially around the time they are happening to you. I just find it odd because around the time they are happening to you, you need to take some time to adjust to the situation. And there is no expectation of when you will be okay again. You need to be upset and suppress the feelings. If you bury these feelings, you will just cause yourself mental health problems. Physical, minor, and severe wounds get treated just like that. When it comes to mental health problems, you have to go and see your GP. You tell them about your mental health problems. They will more than likely put you on a few month waiting list, if not longer, before you can get to see somebody. Which could, as time goes on, make your mental health problems worse before you get to see somebody. To be able to see somebody straight away, you have to say something like this: I want to commit suicide. Which I don't think is very good. It was like this before the pandemic. You have to basically exaggerate your problems so that you get to see somebody straight away, which is just ridiculous because you are almost lying to them. You could go private, but not everybody can afford to go private, as it is expensive. I still think you should go and seek professional help before things get worse if you have a mental health problem or your life is an absolute mess and you don't know how to make it better. I just personally think that The mental health care is not quite there yet. I just think that you should be able to get help as soon as or around the time you realise there is something not quite right with you or your mental health. Rather than leaving it until you feel suicidal, then you get to see a professional. Like I said before, it is not very good. This will just increase suicide rates, which is what we don't want. Suicide is not the answer. Doing things like that, you are just passing the pain onto other people. Why has it got to be an absolute last resort before you can see somebody? It is not very good. Yes, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to hear more autism/Asperger's related content from me. Thanks for watching, and as always, look after yourselves. Take care. Bye bye.